coloring books. This is a set of 8 coloring books containing drawing sheets of people and things that kids see around them. Are meant to boost learners' curiosity while developing their fine motor skills. The following topics are covered. We have my first animals, my first girls, my first birds, my first people at work, my first boys, my first fruits, my first sports, and my first vegetables. We move on to the next book. Just handwriting. The infant stage is meant to foster writing of letters of the alphabet. You've got assessment phases at the bottom. The ECDA book targets the lower case, while the ECDB teaches how to shape both the lower and the upper case. Contains some words for later use at the bottom of each book. Okay, I wanted to talk about the assessment phases. Maybe I left something out of that presentation. If you open the just handwriting books, at the bottom there are some assessment phases where the child can assess if his performance is satisfactory, if it's not satisfactory, or if it's excellent. There are some phases at the bottom. I thought I would test. I'm going to invite Mr. Maduma to the plenary session. To you, sir.
Another round of applause to Mrs. Dawa as she takes her seat. Thank you very much, Madam, for handling your topics well. Now we will see what he has talked about. Thank you very much for that valid observation. Anyone else with another point contribution? Oh, Mrs. Katillo.
Thank you very much. I wanted to say the event included the letter sounds so that the children can start how to read with that letter sounds. And then the orientation left to right, bottom to top.
Right, I think coming from a professional, the letter sounds, Mr. Mukone, I hope notes are being taken. Letter sounds, and then right to left orientation. All right, Ms. Gala? Ms. Gala?
Since these are supplementary readers, you find that our learners read from their phones where they are.
It's okay. Right, Sister Janet, there is an urgent, very urgent request that is needed. Can you make sure, just make the announcement? You understand it better, please let me know. All right, in our way of living, we observe protocols as well. We will have the directors leaving first. So let's not stampede before the directors have gone out. Then we'll ask the DSIs to follow next, and then the school inspector, and then us, all of us.
The issue of scarecrows, like if we were to ask our learners, especially here in Harare, how many of the, I think out of about 100 learners, if we were to ask how many of them know what scarecrows are, you'll be shocked to find that maybe 90% of them won't know what a scarecrow is. So when the issue of scarecrows is brought up, it helps children to understand. If somebody steals, it shows that eventually one will be punished. And after having read the story, the learners will get to know that you can't get away with stealing. You may steal today, tomorrow, but it is just one day that you'll get caught. Okay. Noma Gugu. This novel is about a cross-tribe abduction. A girl was abducted from a certain village. The intention of that was that they wanted her to marry the prince from the other village. The village used in this is specific to the topic. In the plot, the words kingdom, raid, captured have been used to highlight that the story is not contemporary. This story here is not something that happened today, because the language that they use shows that it was a time when there were kingdoms, and in the past it shows that kingdoms were in the habit of raiding one another, and from those kidnapped for various reasons, some for rituals, others to be sold in other countries for other purposes. Of late, our children have not been safe. But however, from this novel, taking a close look at it, it shows that that being kidnapped, you can actually avoid being kidnapped. Because in this story, the girl Noma Gugu left school late, and after she left the school, her father's throne would not go to a nephew who is very cruel. What does she do? She gets a plastic surgery done, and she looks almost like a brother. So she lies to the people that she was able to change her voice so that it sounds male. So she flies back. The fish grows extraordinarily big. So big that maybe this room is small. And then, by coincidence, that in that year, there is drought. So the whole village feeds on that carrot. So this story is just teaching us that from whatever level, from tender ages, children need to be working hard. The milk girl. The milk girl, this one teaches learners to respect one another and to avoid using nasty names, as this could finally lead to bullying.
So when they start teasing her, she starts laughing along with them. So, and then eventually they see no need to keep on teasing, and then they stop. This one teaches the learners that confrontation is not always the solution. When somebody hits at you, you don't always have to hit back. You have to find a way of amicably solving whatever it is that you'll be facing. And also, crying about something also doesn't solve it. It can make it worse. So this girl thought of a good way of getting rid of these people, way to get rid of the teasing. And also it teaches the learners that it is of association or with him and ill treats him. He doesn't want to be associated with him. He doesn't like it when people ask, is this your son, Mr. Whatever? He doesn't want that association. So he decides to send him to a school very far away, so that for some time you won't have to see him. And when the headmaster there says, no, we can't take your son in, he asks him, why, please just keep him until the end of term whilst I look for a vacancy elsewhere. Which means that he really didn't like his son. So eventually, Ali goes, because his father now resorted to ill-treating him, Ali goes and he stays in a home, and eventually he becomes a football coach. Imagine, he's bound to a wheelchair and he becomes a football coach. This one teaches that disability is not inability. So this one, it demonstrates a good skill of suspense. Then we have language structures and composition skills. The given language structures are suitable for learners from grade 3 to 4. As you know, part of our examinations, the paper 1, which carries the bulk of the marks, and there are many revision exercises. They have structures which have questions. Those that have the book, I think if you open them, you would appreciate what I'm saying. Language structures and composition. Okay, and then the revision exercises, like if they cover a structure, they give examples of how to tackle it. At the end, they give revision questions to recap the structures that would have been taught. And then the structures have been covered in depth and are in line with one. But when I went through that book, I realized that the way in which the types of creative writing have been laid out. It is the acceptable way of doing it. And the text that one language structures and composition skills is user-friendly. Like if you have those learners of upper grades, grades 6 and 7, they can copy from the examples and easily work with the book without much help from the teacher or the parent. Then we have Chirinda Django. This one teaches that for success to be achieved, there has to be unity of purpose. In this novel, it is a novel about animals who lived in the jungle. In that jungle, the lion was the king. So when the novel begins, a dream so big. My day is targeted by an uncle for marriage. In fact, when my day's father dies, the uncle wants to take over their company. But then my day's mother is protected by a will that the father left. So the element of importance of a will also works hand in glove with the social science topic that has something to do also with the importance of the will. So after having done that topic on the importance of the will, if the child now reads this novel, they'll say, I know. I want to worry Dr. Pedza. Just a few minutes. Alright, Matsano Ratsuro. This one teaches kuti mwana akatadza academics ane zvimwe zvaanogona kuita. Uyu mwana achiratidza kuti muklasi anga afoira, but akaine tsuro dzairatidza kuti anogona kuchengeta. Ndo dziri powerful. Ende iye aidzokera kumvura kwake achinotora mumwe mushonga. Next. Alright, next. Next. Alright, wait. Bere anofira mhosva yatsuro. Iyi iri kuratidza the cunningness of hair kuti anotrika vanhu. Handiti? Saka in the same manner kutsuro kutrika kwaita mhuka dziri muungano kazhinji kacho. You find that there are some people even today vari kushandisirwa matricks atsuro.
Second press is coming at a time where by way of this designation. But I'm seeing a scenario whereby all of us can be writers. Look at the way she was presenting. I think all of us, if you are teachers, can be writers. And then at the end of the day, they will have books to publish. But very few of us are writers. Yet this curriculum is bringing new ideas, innovation and creativity, and we are sitting on money. I remember 1979, Shima Shinoji was a teacher at Zegeza, Iowa. So we content, and it's good that these guys have brought us together, and then we are thinking of how to come out with books, as well as you hear what others have done. Creativity and then also in the Bible. And there's this issue of us, being apologetic when you talk about Shona. No, ladies and gentlemen. If you look at China and other countries, language yako. Sasa isusu tikataka mnorita Shona inotinya dzamutaura mana isti pa infant parent katotanga chitona yacho bereko yacho titangi bangaite master. But if you come up with that isusu pana mana mabasha vanoshaya basi mapublishers. Munhu badeva. Sasa tuchochimire ino ya trade tigara chifu itoro mazava matinde. So that this we meet together and then we sharpen our mind. Then you see to become a Bugado. I want to what this thing is never seen.
The first to shoot your head up. It's very unfortunate that when we talk about realistic situations, we tend to lie. It's very common and acceptable. When we talk of the book, for example, this is where I'm picking it from. We are trying to show that all systems, they do work. I believe in traditional healers myself, but I'm also a Christian. What I have been told, my grandmother is actually a traditional healer, and we
amenoti panoti chiya means katiyo ndimi munombotiitira pronunciation apo panoti chiya pakaiswa mabrackets apa. Right, Miss Katiyo will help us.
Page.
Learned from this workshop and also to implement.
Thank you. He says we are going to cascade to those who are not here or those who were not here, and also to implement whatever we learned from this workshop. That's what.
So that this may reach to our learners and our teachers.
Thank you. So he's talking of engagement.
Because currently we are at provincial level. Is it at cluster level? That would be
Right, he's saying we are talking of going out to cascade.
Which is also the shop floor, the more diluted it becomes. So I suggest from here, whilst we are still pregnant with data, we go straight to the classes.
So we should tune ourselves then we cascade. And the most important person we should include is the teacher. It's very important because he or she is the one who is going to work with these books and the kids.
Thank you very much, madam.
Behind, like my teachers, and also Neko. It also stakeholder consultation. My parents, advantages in my books. I think it's no bad here. Start kind of Tomonoka, Channel Public, in the Public Bill. The worst times was no Tapira, Tatawa. Market of books, the advantages actually. It is actually the so. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. When we are